How to make money with data annotation jobs, AI training for beginners, full guide. In this video, we're going to be talking about proper money making with data annotation jobs. Okay, so data annotation, as we all know, can be done through various platforms, but we're going to be using an AI skilled platform, which is called Scale. Okay, it's a Gen AI platform where you can make the best models with the best data. You can scale data engines, leverage your enterprise data, and with Scale Gen AI, you can safely unlock the value of AI. All right, so I'm going to be diving deep into the world of data annotation jobs, your ticket to making money while contributing to all the other exciting features that it provides you. And you can have a preview over here on how the software actually works, etc. And then obviously moving over, what you can discuss about is if you're looking to expand your horizons, data annotation jobs offer a fantastic opportunity to get started in AI tradings. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. Okay, now the question is, why data annotation? If you may ask, well, it's very simple because every AI model needs high quality labels. Okay, basically. So what you can do is you're going to come to products, and you have different things like RLHF and different things for generative AIs. You can also find all the features down here if you want to. So, custom model builders. So basically, everything needs a high quality label data to learn from, where they come in by annotating text, images, videos that you are helping AI algorithms understand and interpret. So this basically helps them understand the world around us. And now basically data annotation jobs have a lot of opportunities for you, from identifying objects and images to transcribing audio clips. The tasks are pretty diverse, meaning that there's something for everyone in the world of data annotation. Now, how do you get started? Okay, don't worry, because I have got you covered. I will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your data annotation journey and start earning those dollars. Okay, now from choosing the right platforms and tools to, homing your annotation skills, we will equip you with everything that you need to succeed in this rapidly growing industry. Okay, so to succeed in this industry, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to go ahead and choose a proper label for yourself. So, your different use cases like LLMs. And if we come down here, you can see the different data and models. It also shows you the AI that you use integrated with all the work structure that this platform brings you, so you can pretty much come over here, click on build AI, and you can start scaling the data engine. Okay, so generally pretty easy and pretty basic stuff to get your head around. Okay, so what moreover you can do is basically just go over to products. Once you come over to products, you can come over to Scale Data Engine. And as you can see in the Scale Data Engine, it gives you the different values like curation, raw data, evaluate, annotate. Obviously, this is what we want, annotation. So if you scroll down here, you can see the best in business. The Scale Data Engine is trusted by the world's leading M. Okay, so the quality, it's pretty incredible, where Scale can provide the core tenet of any dataset with high quality labels from domain experts. It's pretty cost effective, where you can easily find, categorize, and fix model failures with Scale's data engine. Then the scalability is incredible. Okay, where you can Scale's data engine can support any ML project from lower volume experiments to high volume production, and incredible diversity, where you can scale diversities, the greatest variety and diversity of data to help deliver. Okay, so again, we have RLHF, where you can label your data. You basically, your AI engine powers the most advanced LLMs and generative models in the AI section. Okay, and generally it gives us a very good and you could see frank idea on how AI actually works and integrates with each other. Then moving on, you can also give yourself quite good data training through data labeling, where you can get the best quality data for yourself. Okay, the best quality data to fuel the best performing models. And you can see we can form 3D models, we can form image models, and 3D models like these. You can do mapping, you can add in your very own text, and you can add in audios. And again, we have data curation, where you can unearth the most valuable data by intelligently managing your data set, and it keeps going on and on. So, generally really amazing stuff. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and show you how to maximize your earnings, including how to increase your annotation speed without compromising quality. So what we're going to do is, so the first platform that we are going to be talking about is called Bridge. Okay, so Bridge. Why am I talking about this one? Bridge is a well-known company in the field of data annotation and data training. Okay, and now if you go here in the website, you have the options of getting what they can offer to you. Okay, then as a worker or freelancer, now, these are the technical writing and training and e-learning from video localization, software localization with translation for regular companies, interpretation, live events, website, and localization that you can find in what we do. Okay, so there's so much opportunity to work here on LionBridge that you're going to be able to join them all. And all you have to do is simply click on join our team. And once you click on join our team, they're going to show you their current job openings, as you can see. So you can go with any of these: interpreters, gaming, translator and agencies, corporate associates. And as you scroll down, you can see more things to discover. And, there's notice on employment and recruiting as well. So, it's pretty incredible that you can join industries like these to make money by just simple data annotation for AI. And, Lionsbridge generally is an amazing company for you to actually apply in because it works pretty well. And the money to normality ratio is also pretty incredible when it comes to this case. So, be sure to check it out. So once we've talked about that, we're going to move over to the next software, which is called Figure8 Federal. Okay. Now we come over to Figure8 Federal. Figure8 Federal in itself is another incredible AI data pipeline for life-changing decisions. Okay. So this again basically allows users to go ahead and do proper law enforcement. You can extract full decision-making power from your data with faster time to insight, human machine teaming, and maximum data security. And as we obviously go down, we have sound strategic decisions, and the results of proper training are seen with raw data, AI data annotation, and data training. And as you can see, this is how data annotation is done. You're gonna track different items and objects in videos and images. And the thing is, your AI data pipeline is built through discovery, prototyping, and scalability. You can obviously schedule a demo anytime to join right into your Figure8 Federal. And basically, here are the services that they offer. Especially here, if we go ahead and click on careers, and once you click on careers, you're gonna hover down and you can actually see some benefits for working with this company. And you get a lot of good benefits and a lot of good features, which actually are pretty incredible when you think about it like this, that it's just data annotation. It's data annotation for AI, and relatively pretty simple. Not something that takes a lot of time or takes a lot of your work or effort. It's just a very easy process that takes a few steps to complete. Okay, so that's what data annotation mainly is. And for that, it gives us quite good PMOs. So you can go ahead and apply right now simply through open positions. Okay, so if we come over to open positions and we click on apply now, as you can see, it opens up different types of, you could say, fields. So we have admin infrastructure, engineering, PMO, professional services, and a whole lot more. So it goes on, and it depends on how you want to approach this according to, what application you want to give. You can also keep on filtrations as well, by the way. So, we have location type. Let's say I want remote. Okay. And once we go with a remote, you can also scroll down here, and if you find any different, you could say, work ethics, you could simply apply on those as well. And once we're applying on those, you can easily go ahead to, let's say I want to become a full stack software engineer. But obviously that's not the job that we would be looking for, right? We're looking for the data annotation specialist, and you can obviously check your location for that. So this is in St. Louis and this is in Arlington. I'm going to go with the one in Arlington. Now, obviously, the job is on site and it's full time. So you can get it through AI, and here are the features. So we have features like, you're going to be a great fit if you are self-motivated, team-oriented, and possess a high level of focus and attention to detail. The required qualifications are high school diploma or equivalent, highly organized and able to take direction well, ability to work independently, cooperatively, and collaboratively as a team member, possesses excellent oral and written skills, including non-technical writing, excellent analytical skills coupled with a strong sense of ownership, urgency, and drive, proficient in Microsoft Office products, and obviously a U.S. citizenship. And the desired qualifications are familiar with CVAT, secret or top secret clearance, associate degree or bachelor's degree, 1+ years of experience in an office environment, and obviously you have other features as well that you can check. And if you match all of that, what you can simply do is you're going to click on apply for this job, and simply it asks you to attach your resume, CV, full name, last name, asks you a lot of more questions. And if you answer all these correctly and submit the application, you should get accepted really easily if you are fully capable for it. Now let's move over to the next platform, which is called Appen. Okay. Now, Appen is another platform that improves AI with their data. Okay. So you can improve AI with your data pretty easily by making your data your differentiator. Now, Appen has been providing high quality data sets that the main power of the world's leading AI models for decades. Our end-to-end platform, flexible services, and deep expertise ensure the delivery of the high quality, diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and enterprise-ready AI applications. So we can find Appen's, main features over here. And the thing is that it tells you why you can choose Appen because of its expertise, scalability, quality, flexibility, and innovation. And even the people at NVIDIA, the head of NVIDIA, has vouched. Okay. So, generally you can tell that it's a pretty incredible software, and you can optimize your different LLMs. And then we also have AI data. AI data is the part we're going to want to get into, where you can give diverse high quality training data for AI, where you can give natural language processing. Okay, you can give speech and audio processing. You can also give computer vision, relevance, data collection, document intelligence, location based services, and a whole lot more. You can get started on your AI or ML project right now. Okay, so simply to start that off, you're simply going to want to go ahead and schedule a demo. And once you schedule a demo, you're pretty much set to go, and it just takes you straight into the platform. And the thing is that the high quality data is at scale, and you can actually discover how Appen accelerates the development of your AI applications. That's the best part about this software. And trust me, you're going to have a lot of fun when you're using this software for yourself. Okay. So, just like, you're interested in, even if it doesn't match your skills, if you see it's interesting, you might want to apply for that, because some projects may require you to pass a qualification test or complete a trading module because before you can start working. And again, here are some platforms that can start working pretty incredibly. Okay, so if you go over to platform, you're going to come down here. You can see platform powering enterprise AI for a decade. Then we scroll down. You can see trusting the world's most innovative brands like Bloomberg, you have Target, Nvidia, Shell, IBM, Boeing. Then key platform features, integration to LLM APIs. Then we have annotation, what we're here for, collaboration, testing, analytical insight, flexibility by design, and different deployments for yourself to talk about. Okay, so yeah, pretty decent software, but I'm gonna move over to the next software now, and this software is called LXT. Okay, LXT again is a very incredible platform, and it's for AI training data, data collection, and annotation. So LXT is a flexible work weekly payments, rapid growth, and it's a great platform that you can work with to grow your skills. It's really easy now, okay, to use a platform like this. So if you want to go into data annotation, you're going to come down here into our services and you're going to click on data annotation. All right. Once you do that, here it says label data to train, test, and tune your algorithms, etc., etc. So in annotation, you get audio annotation, you get image annotation, you get search relevance, and things keep going on and on. Okay, so there's different types of annotations that you can actually apply into search relevance, text annotation, transcription services, video annotation, and a whole lot more. So it goes on and on depending on how you want to, actually approach it in different ways. So pretty incredible and pretty, easy stuff to get your head around. And you can connect with your data experts as well if you want to. So if you want to start an application with them, you're going to click on connect with data experts and you're going to click on start an application. Now over here, again, it says reasons for your interest. So we're going to go with jobs at LXT. Okay. And then once you do that, you're going to click on start application. So what that does is it starts an application for you. And once the application has started, here it's going to ask you for your email. So you're going to enter any email to get started. So again, the sign up process is pretty simple. Simply add an email, click on sign up. And once you click on sign up for yourself, what happens from here is that it sends you a verification link. And once the verification link is sent to you, what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to go ahead and open up the link that it has sent me. So here I have the link opened up in my left tab over here. So this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do is you're going to add in your first name, last name, passwords, gender, birth date, skills, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and add things accordingly to myself. So last name as well, we're going to add that. Then we have password. So I'm simply going to input a password for myself. We're just going to copy that and paste it here. So once you've added all these details, what you're going to want to do from there is you're obviously going to create the account for yourself however accordingly you please. So I'm simply going to come here, choose the date of birth, skills. Now this is an important part because you could add any of the annotation skills. So you have collection, image labeling, image categorization, short form transcription, and a whole lot more. So it keeps going on and on. So let's say I'm going to go with image categorization, and we're going to go with labeling, text summarization, validation, collection, voice recording. Okay, we're going to go with that. Then we have native language. I'm going to go ahead with English. Okay, and once you go ahead with English, you could go with other language as well. So once you've done that, you're going to select your current city and hometown. And once we have done all of that, you're simply going to go ahead to create account. And once you click on create account, finally, we are set to go. So all you're going to want to do from here is we're going to paste our email. And once we have done that, simply add in your password, click on sign in, and this takes you straight into your basic verification section. So once you have this verified, basically that sets you up with LXT's data platform, and you can easily start an application from their portal and sign up from their platform. Okay, now moving on, we also have another great platform for us. Now this platform is called Taskus. So Taskus is basically a BPO services and digital solutions provider. And basically Taskus now is company that provides outsourcing services, including, customer services, content moderation, which involves data annotation. Now, data annotation services, right, and other business process outsourcing solutions. Now, Taskus is known for offering services to tech companies, startups, and other businesses looking to outsource various tasks. But again, they also offer freelance work in relation to data annotation in other cases. Okay, so you can find data annotation in the services section over here. And we're gonna open it up. And once you open it up, you're going to go over to AI services. And here we have AI powered human made services that you can get into if you want to. The Taskus does it for you, pretty incredibly, where you can apply and search all the open roles you want to. It's generally a pretty easy thing to get your head around, and it's also a really helpful platform for your career when you want to scour through it. Okay, so these are the different things that you're going to want to keep mind of when you are working with platforms like this. So one final platform that I'm going to be talking to you about that is going to make you great money with data annotation is We Work Remotely. So basically, We Work Remotely, especially a remote job assigned platform. Okay, so this basically gives you remote jobs in different industries and in different locations according to what you desire. And trust me, it's really helpful because you can either post a job or you can go for a job. So as you can see, I'm gonna go with any of these jobs. So you can search up data annotation, or let's say I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna write data annotate. Okay, we're gonna write that in. And what it does is it gives us annotations, or what you can just do is you can go over to your job seekers section. Okay, and you can simply go over to top trending remote jobs, and here you can go into annotating the different AI prompt, and here we have it: AI prompt engineering and evaluation, which is basically data annotation tech or professional freelance writer. So as you can see, these have great applicants, and you can apply for it right away as well if you want to. Pretty incredible and pretty easy stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is when it comes to, making money with different platforms for data annotation. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is all from me, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.